Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Leo is a little red book. He lives on a shelf in a small house. Nobody has opened Leo for a long time. He feels lonely and bored. One sunny day, a girl named Mia sees Leo on the shelf. She picks him up and says, "This book looks nice. I'll take it to the library." Mia puts Leo in her backpack. Inside the bag, it's dark and full of stuff. Leo says, "I'm not food. I'm a book." Soon, they arrive at the library. Mia gives Leo to the librarian. The librarian smiles and says, "Thank you. This book will be perfect for our shelf." Leo looks around. There are many books, some big, some small, some funny. A big green book says, "Welcome, new friend." Leo smiles and says, "Thank you. I'm ready for an adventure." The next morning, a boy named Sam walks into the library. He sees Leo, picks him up, and opens the first page. This book looks fun. Sam says, Leo feels so happy. Sam borrows the book and takes it home. That night, Sam reads every page and laughs at the story. Leo is no longer lonely. Now he has a friend and more adventures to come. All he needed was one reader. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.